Now, last week at this time, we told you about the Lubbock Heart Hospital's 5-star rating from Healthgrades.
Now tonight, I'll explain how Healthgrades comes up with those ratings.
Medical centers get 1, 3, or 5-star ratings based on the patient's care. Things like severity of their illness and how it's treated, if there are complications, and mortality rates.
Healthgrades is not comparing hospitals to hospitals. It's not a competing based system like a track meet. What Healthgrades is doing through their rating systems is telling facilities, okay, based upon your acuity, the sickness of your patients, how are you performing in serving your patient population?
Healthgrades uses tens of millions of Medicare claims from a 3-year period to come up with these ratings.
We're looking at, the difference between a hospital's predicted mortality and their actual mortality. And I almost always compare it to like a golf handicap, right? So you're playing against yourself, really, and your patient population. Although it is comparative to the community and consumers have a choice, what we're really looking at is kind of like that golf handicap. We want to rate you based on your acuity, your ability to manage these patients, and how well are you doing with them.
In other words, if a hospital has more patients die than Healthgrades predicted from those Medicare claims, then it would have a 3 or 1-star rating. But if the hospital had fewer people die than predicted, they earn a 5-star rating. The Lubbock Heart Hospital has been rated a 5-star hospital since they opened.
Our systems are in place, that our benchmarks are working, and that we're staying on top of the quality that we're providing to these patients through the processes that we perform here day to day.
So how does that help you? The ratings provide life-saving information when you're trying to find a doctor or a hospital for treatment.
Now, all of you consumers out there, you can look at the results from Healthgrades, and you can log on to healthgrades.com. And if you have a heart-related question, you can email me at foryourheart@klbk13.tv or call the hotline at 748-2221.